What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I probably just had one of the best trades I've had since July. I hit a 4R trade. I'm up $15,000. Here's the proof right here. Let's just get into the breakdown and a little trade recap because I did take a loss today as well. All right, so without further ado, this is the trade that I took today. Okay. Now I did take a loss as well, which I'm going to go over, but I want to kind of go over this first because this was just a banger. Okay. So when I came in, when I came in today, okay, I was low key bearish. Okay, I was bearish because I feel like if we like to me, like this was just a giant ass like market structure shift right here, and I was just completely just dead wrong. Well, I initially took this trade right here, and this was just a loss. I just got pretty much wrecked. So I cut the trade here, and thankfully, I cut the trade and we just went up the rest of the day. So, that's why I have a stop loss. Imagine if I kept averaging down. That would have been horrible. So let's go to the trade where I just made 15K on. This is going to be 10 times better. I've already compared indicators, and this alerts like way better entries than another one, thankfully, because it really prioritizes like fair value gap delivery. But it alerts this trade, right? And I was not on the chart. Like the only reason I saw this was because I was literally not on the chart, okay? And I got the indicator alert. So thankfully, because of this indicator alert, I got to see the setup. And it wasn't until I got the indicator alert of this setup where I was like, okay, we got a 2 minute. I got to take this. There's just no way I'm not taking this. And I sized for the low. And I just went for all-time highs. Honestly, I was just going for RR here. I was already red for the day. I had nothing to lose. I already my stop break even. There was no way it could have gone more red. So I was like, yeah, I'm not taking partials. I can't go red on the day anyways. And this was probably my biggest RR trade since probably July. I think I hit like a 5R in July. I don't remember, but it was July or June. And, thank you, one, for the indicator, which I'm going to be releasing and I'll make a whole video about in the settings and everything. And two, thank you, ICT, for the knowledge you've given me because I would not be here without you. Like, he really changed my trading. If you guys are debating on whether you should watch the 2022 mentorship, just do it.